my parents lost both their businesses and their home, and going back and forth between both places. I know there was people that I was like, who are these people? Like, where are they from? And my dad was like, I don't know. So just strangers showing up to help was amazing to see.
When we started getting sirens, my wife called me to let me know that they're gonna start heading towards the basement, and power cut off and phone call cut off. I rushed everyone that I could in the hotel downstairs.
All of a sudden we turned the corner and it was like a bulldozer just went through the town in this one section. You see a house on one side, but the other side it was gone. You know, co-workers that wanted to come and help whatever we could do, passing out water, just giving somebody a hug. You know, the kids that came up to us, we had coloring books, just for them to have something. It was nice to see our coworkers come together.
Just, you know, and I think a lot of it was the coverage that the community had, but also we're surrounded by a lot of small communities that those people showed up, like, so people helping us that we didn't even know. The fact that a company will come invest in a small community is huge, because a lot of times you see big companies just wanting to go to the city and where they can get, you know, thousands of accounts right away. So just you guys investing back into us is huge.